Okay, so we've been going around the park all day and it's just about time for Howl O Scream. We are heading over here to, what is that grill that we're eating at? What is it called?
Dragon Fire Grill.
Okay, we're heading over here to the Dragon Fire Grill. That's where we eat at for the Fright Feast is in there. So, alright, we're just about ready for Howl O Scream.
Let's do it.
So, we're going to start this vlog. We're hungry. And the Dragon Fire Grill, in case you didn't know, is over here by
Scorpion.
the Scorpion, right there, and Falcon's Fury. Park's fixing to close in about 15 minutes. Right there is where we check in for our meal, get our bands, all that good stuff, and we'll be ready. All right, we're all checked in for Howl O Scream.
Yep.
Got our wristband for Howl O Scream.
We're here.
By the way, I didn't say it earlier, but it is a separate ticket event.
Yeah.
We actually got a special on the tickets for pass holders. I think it was like in the $20 range. But anyway, and we got the band for the Fright Feast, which also gives us the front of the line for like an hour and a half.
$30?
30 some dollars, yeah. I think 35, 36, so not bad at all. Let's see what we got here.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Look, y'all. It's gotta be pumpkin cheesecake. Usually I can only get that in Williamsburg. Okay, we got rolls. This is an all you can eat. So it's not necessarily a buffet, but you can come back for as many times as you want. All right, Tyler, so what'd you get?
I got the pulled pork. It had a name for it, but I can't remember. Pulled pork, and then potato, and then chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. All right. Well, I got the shrimp Creole. All right, and then I had some chicken too. I got a roll, and then I got, I guess it had some macaroni with vegetables.
Hello.
Hello.
You want me to stand still for it?
I'm videoing.
Oh, okay.
think you should do it. I don't think.
I don't have to chew it.
No, and you can compact it wherever you like. There's no rules.
Stick it in, I can take it right back out.
No rules.
Do you have a napkin?
Howdy.
How's it going?
All right. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Oh, he's
What's
not.
happening? What just happened?
Nothing.
All right, I'll take your word for it.
Well, he did it. What do we get for dessert? Is that pumpkin cheesecake?
Yep.
With caramel on it? A brownie?
Half-eaten brownie.
Yeah, you already started on the brownie. Of course, I had to get some pumpkin cheesecake and some bread pudding, right? All right.
Fiends! What are you doing here? You're in the wrong place. You're supposed to be in Stanleyville, next to Tigress, at Frankenstein Castle.
But Doc, these guys know where all the freaky people come to party and get the Howl O Scream before everyone else. Am I right? He's freaky, she's freaky, he's really freaky. It's Fright Feast, where there's food, drinks, and sweet treats.
Yes, Igor, I get it. This is where all the freaky people come to get lit.
Let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, hit sound person.
I am Dr. Frankenstein, and I want all of your Fright Feast to feel good. Real good. That sassy number was just for you.
Doc, now that everyone's feeling good, is there anything else special you want to share with our exclusive Fright Feast guests?
Igor! Yes, Igor, now that you mention it, here are a few insider tips on Howl O Scream 2019.
Doc, did you just say
Tips! Igor, I said tips.
Ah, just the tip.
Tip number one, be sure to get your shirts tonight. Have to get an operation on those abs.
Tip number two, it's all fun and games here in Pantopia with our clowns and huggable friends on the Maniac Midway. Be sure to check out our new haunted house, The Residence, where you find out something's not quite right happening next door. They all float down here.
Tip number three, did you know that this is the 20th anniversary year of Howl O Scream? So, keep an eye out for some of your favorite icons who may appear in unexpected places. Put in the major standpoint, singular quickly.
So get ready for an unforgettable night.
And remember, there is no place safe.
And for the biggest tip, my tip.
Igor, they're eating their chicken tenders.
Be sure to check us at Fiends at Stanleyville later tonight.
All right, so how was your meal?
It was good. Good.
Oh, it's pretty good too. It could have been a little warmer as far as my meal, but you know,
I went back and got seconds, and it was a lot warmer.
yeah, I think they'd had it sitting out there that first round.
Yeah.
But I mean, it was good. It was tasty.
Yeah.
The desserts were great. The pumpkin cheesecake was yummy. Bread pudding And the brownie, all of it was good. Like I said, it could have just been a little warmer probably. Busch Gardens, I actually miss where you used to have a buffet in there. Instead of the all you can eat where you just pick up your food that's already ready.
Yeah.
The buffet was always warm, wasn't it?
Yep.
And you could go back and you could pick whatever you wanted to eat then. So we missed that.
Yep.
We're not complaining, but bring back the buffet. So now we are using we're out here in the park and we'll be using our hour and a half of front of the line.
Yep.
So we're gonna plan on getting through all the mazes in that hour and a half.
Yep.
Let's see if we can do it.
Corner.
Hey guys, okay, so all right, Tyler, so what'd you get?